Hello, my beautiful YouTube and internet friends. My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling, mixed media and crafting on a low budget. My name is Ilona, better known on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and WordPress as Picture for Life. Subscribe to my channel to follow me on my creative journey. I'm all about keeping it simple. Even if it looks difficult, it's not. Trust me. I make easy to follow process tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. So if you like to see more low budget, mixed media and art journaling, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you know when I upload a new video. For today I have a video where I'm having a challenge again. I have a challenge with a group of ladies every month and I was way behind. So I'm keeping my challenges a little simple for the time being. And for this challenge I started out with a background using spray inks. These are made with the primary elements, so that's a really easy background. And then I'm adding some splatters. And then for the challenge I had to use a certain color scheme, sort of neutrals, browns, grays and blacks. So I tried to really keep it really simple by just adding some book paper, some splatters on my background to give it a little bit more interest. And I used some stamps that I had that were not really background stamps, but I thought I could use parts of the stamp. And that's what you see me doing here. Just using a part of the stamp, and that way you can use your stamps in more than one way, because I could use the stamp as a whole, but in this case I just used a part of the stamp that had some dots on there. And they were perfect to use sort of as a background to give a little bit more interest to my project. So try to look at your stamps in a different way, and that way you can do your mixed media on a low budget, because you don't have to buy all these new stamps, but you can actually use what you already have. And you notice I'm still not gluing anything on, because anything can happen still. So this is my focal point. My background stamping here was not quite going in the right direction because my focal point just went right over it. So I'm stamping again a little bit on the side. So it's just peeking out beneath my focal point. I also want to reuse, or you know, when you have all these supplies and you keep buying more. Everybody that's doing something creative probably can relate to that. But in this case I wanted to use some of the stuff that I already had bought and haven't used that much. So this is a die that I have, and I cut it out of a magazine because I really wanted to have it was a picture in black and whites and grays. And you will be surprised how much different shades are in there. By cutting it out of this magazine page, I just had 3 of the colors in my color scheme already. And this just 2 little pieces that I cut out of that die cut. That creates the illusion of being in a jungle. So then I'm trying some extra background stamping, because there are some places that still are not that interesting, so I need to do something there. So there's a little bit more to look at. So I again use some Unity stamps to do that. So in the parts where I thought it was not much happening, that's where I'm trying to stamp this. So now I think it's time to start gluing everything together. And while I'm doing that, I have announcements for all of you. If you have been following me for a while, then you maybe have noticed that I have not been uploading my videos regularly for the last few weeks. Since September, I don't know, my creativity was not in a flow like the last few years. It might be because I was pushing myself too hard to deliver a video every week and I was really struggling. So I'm not saying I won't do a video every week, but I just want to keep my options open. I will give myself the room to just skip a week. And I hope you will understand and still follow me. You know, if you make videos and you do it every week, it's costing me a lot of time. I have to make a project and then make a video I have to edit it, I have to do a voiceover, and it's all costing a lot of time. And I noticed I spent less and less time with the people that I cared, and I really want to do both, but I can't do it the way I did it. So I need to figure out a way to still be creative and still do videos, but also spend more time with the people in my life. So I think you can all relate to that. So for now, I'm not pushing myself to do a video every week. If I can, great, but if not, then know that I'm still coming back, because I love to share what I know and help you in your creativity, give back to the community that's giving me so much in the times that I was struggling. And I think the crafting and scrapbooking I did at that time, being on YouTube, learning new things, really helped me. So that's really what I wanted to give back to this community and to all of you, but maybe a little less promptly than before, so to say. In the meantime, I'm starting to finishing off this page, and I'm doing that by just adding a little black border in all 4 corners, and you will be surprised by how much difference that makes. And I hope to see you back for a new free tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will be notified when my new video is up. And clicking that bell icon will be even more important now, because my schedule could be, as I explained earlier, not as promptly on Thursdays as it was before. So if you really want to see my videos, it will be a great help if you get a notification. So click that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and creative day.